Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Good to see you.
Today I visited the guest.
Lead virtually, I must be sure, I must be clear on the stability of the internet. Well, this is a very serious matter. You're going to see at 4 o'clock, you are on the old day. And I am not comfortable taking the lead partner. When I get to submitting on their terms or whatever it is, or posting your application, I require an evaluation. Where is mine? Can you